Good morning, class 5. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the 7th video lecture of the chapter Safety and First Aid. Till now we have discussed about, in last video we have discussed about first aid in case of animal bite, maybe due to dog, cat or snake bite. And we have also discussed about the first aid provided in case of sprain and fracture. In today's video, small topic is there that we have to discuss is first aid in case of wound. Wound means any cut, any scratch, that is during working or during any work, any accident that happens due to which where somewhere got cut or somewhere get scratched. These things that happens, these are called wounds, घाव. So it can be minor wound or it can be deep wound. या तो वो हल्का सा ऊपर से कटा है या ज़्यादा कट गया है. तो अगर ज़्यादा कट गया है तो उसको डीप वुंड कहेंगे, अगर हल्का कटा है तो इसको माइनर वुंड करेंगे. तो व्हाट आर द फर्स्ट एड दैट नीड टू बी प्रोवाइडेड इन केस ऑफ माइनर वुंड. इफ द वुंड इज माइनर, wash the area properly with soap and water. Okay, and after that apply some antiseptic cream or antiseptic lotion, means something like Dettol or Savlon, anything you can apply. And after that cover that wound with the help of band-aid. And if it is deep, in case of that you have to apply some pressure to stop the bleeding, means wash the area properly with soap and water and apply some pressure to stop the bleeding. Sometimes a tight band called tourniquet is also applied to stop the bleeding. In case of wound, if bleeding is too much, to stop bleeding we can also apply ice, means ice application of ice will stop the bleeding. So what are the first aid that need to be provided to a person who is wounded? Okay, so in case of minor wound, wash the wound with soap and water. Apply antiseptic like Dettol or Savlon. Next is, in case of bleeding, apply ice to stop bleeding. Apply band-aid, handiplast जिसको कहते हैं, on the wound. Okay, these are the first aid that need to be provided in case of minor wound. In case of deep wound, clean the wound with water and soap. See, why we are using soap and water every time? Because if this skin is the barrier, it prevents the germs from entering into our body. As we know, germs are present everywhere, in air, in water, everywhere. So to prevent entry of germs, if there is a cut, So chances are there the things, for example, this is a blade and or this is a rod that was fallen down, and by this I got a cut here. So this rod may contain some germs that can enter through the opening or the cut. So that's why you need to wash it with soap and water. Keep in mind. Next, apply antiseptic on the wound. Apply antiseptic on the wound. If, one more thing, if the cut is due to dirty object or rusted iron, ask the doctor for anti-tetanus injection. Okay, so if the wound is due to dirty object or rusted iron, ask for anti-tetanus injection from doctor. So you have to ask for anti-tetanus injection. One more thing, a tight band need to be wrapped. That band is called tourniquet. So important, you have to remember this word, tourniquet. 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 A tight band wrapped around the wound to stop bleeding is called tourniquet. A tight band called tourniquet is twisted to stop bleeding. And one more thing, after doing this, apply pressure. So you have to apply pressure to stop the bleeding. So these are the first aid in case of minor wound and deep wound. Okay, thank you for the day.